Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering up the LCD and the cast adapter, because an unpowered device cannot announce itself to your network. Plug the dongle into an HDMI port and a 5V USB power source, then switch the TV input to that HDMI. Once done, make sure your phone, tablet, or laptop is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network that the cast device should use. This shared network is how the devices discover and communicate, so double-check network names and passwords now. Next, you configure the casting endpoint so it accepts streams from your device. Open the Google Home app for Chromecast or the native casting control for your platform. The app scans and shows the dongle or TV name. Tap to pair, accept prompts, and if presented, enter the on-screen code so you confirm the right display. Make sure to set resolution and aspect ratio to match the LCD. This minimizes overscan and blurry video. Once paired, test with a short video to confirm stable playback and audio routing. To finish, initiate casting from the video app or system mirror control on your device. Select the cast target you named earlier and press play. You control volume and playback from the source. If you prefer full mirror, choose screen mirroring but expect higher latency. When done, use the Stop Cast button to release the TV. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to restart the router and the cast device. Reboots clear temporary network conflicts and often restore discovery and streaming within a minute or two.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.